Well, hello everyone. I am taking some much deserved time off and did not expect to find anything. Those of you who don't know, here in SoCal, if you go to Jack's Surfboards, they obviously have some Hot Wheels. I've kind of been out of loop on the main lines, so I kind of forget which is what case mix, and these are international cards, so it's not going to tell me. So if I can find a treasure hunt, or better yet a super, that would be a dead giveaway. This is really cool. We got some premiums, we've got some 55th anniversary, so let's take a look. I'm probably going to get this Bugatti Bolide. Definitely a cool it's a new casting, I believe, isn't it? Doesn't say that it's new, so maybe not. Actually, let's just start over here. This is a new mix. My guess is maybe N case or P case maybe. See here, so we've got the Tesla Roadster, Mercedes-Benz 500, or excuse me, 560 SECANG, it's a mouthful. Ducati, it's not a treasure hunt or anything, I thought it might be. Yeah, so maybe slightly picked through on these. Not quite sure. If you guys recognize this mix of cars, please let me know. I think it might be mixed in with some older L case. I know Jack's had some L case from the past. Yeah, I think that's old. Here's the Lamborghini Miura. Yeah, so older L cases mixed in here. They may have only put out a certain amount of the new stuff. But this is definitely cool. I haven't seen the 67 Chevy C10 for a while. A couple of those. There's a twin mill. Actually, I think I just saw the chase piece from this mix, which is going to be this Mercedes-Benz Unimog U1300L, if that's correct, I believe. Pretty sure this is the pearl and chrome. You see Jack's puts their nice big old sticker and probably adds on a bit to the price. Some more down here. Acura, Integra GSR, a couple of those. Alright, this is cool. Love this casting. This is hard to find. Porsche 993 GT2. Shout out to all the Porsche collectors out there on this Diecast. My buddy Derek, everybody knows him. He's the biggest Porsche guy I know. There's a couple of those. Another C10. Barbie Corvette, Porsche, another one, Acura. Yeah, but that's gonna do it, guys. Do have some 3-packs and some 5-packs. Try to get a peek at these. It's been a while since I put out a video. Just haven't been hunting. Actually, I've been hunting for a new job, so it's taken up most of my time here recently. But yeah, super cool. Jack's Surfboards. Anyone is interested, check them out. You might find some cool castings. But thank you all for tuning in. Catch you on the next one. Sometimes you just get lucky when you're nice. We got 2 fresh shippers, so let's get into them. All right, shipper number 1 is F-Case 2023. So that would be the, what's it called? I forget. Man, I'm rusty. I haven't been hunting as much, so I forget my case supers. I know what it is, but I can't think of the name. Shout it out if you know it. There it is. This one's a dud. It's the Renault, that's right. The Renault Sport RS. It's a Mazda Cosmos, which is the E-Case Super for 2023. So let's see if there's another Renault in here. There's one that I really like, super popular, the gold Sylvia S15 Liberty Walk. F-Case, not a bad case, when I recall. Yada, Carrera, Cosmo, it's hard to do this with one hand. The Bel Air gasser back there. So, what do you guys think? Think we're gonna find a super? Got a good feeling, but these sidekick shippers are hit and miss. Hit and miss. I guess just like anything. Nope. Only one Renault so far in this one. Like the store. This is a Food for Less, by the way. Got some 2022 P-Case recently. Good morning, Claudia. How are you? I know. Just been friendly to the employees here, so they know me and I know them. And the best way to really find fresh shippers and cases and stuff. To know the employees, ask nicely, don't make a mess. This one's a dud shipper. I didn't even see a treasure hunt. What's the F-Case treasure hunt? Put that below, please. I can't remember. I'm gonna slide this one back in and then get into the next one. Alright. Trusty Spyderco. Just don't know what Spyderco knives are. They're amazing. Had 2, lost one. Wife just got me a new one for my birthday. So it looks like this is F-Case as well. So let me put my phone down and slide it on out. Well, maybe I can do it with one hand here. No, I can't. There's a dud. Let's see if there's another one. Case. These are Patrol Custom 4. The Beatles, Yellow Submarine. Subaru back there. I'm going quick on there, guys. This is F case. I'm sure we've all seen F case already by this time. Year, November 21st, I believe it is, 2023. Don't forget to get your donut drifters. Hand it to a police officer if you ever get pulled over. Alright. Now I didn't remember what the F case treasure hunt is. There's 3 duds. Where was I? Right here. Audi 90 Quattro is a cool one. Yeah, like I said, these shippers are, sidekick shippers are hit and miss, hit and miss. It's in 2 of the mainline Renaults, so I'm not feeling super lucky. Dang, this car's got messed up. A Civic Custom, 1973. Treasure hunt, guys. I can't remember. It's alright. I passed it. So be it. Somebody else will find it. Bunch of Mazda Cosmos. close one, guys, but no super this time. 2 Dutch shippers. And dud number 2. Shoot. If I find anything super good, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna peg this for them and be on my merry little way. Well, sometimes luck is just not on your side. I've never seen so many dud and main lines in one shipper before. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bummer. But always a thrill going through a shipper. Thank you, Ralph's. She told me to leave some at the bottom, not fill up the pegs too much, because as you all know, collectors Well, today might be my lucky day. These look unopened. Yes, they do look unopened. We got end case. This is probably from 2023, earlier this year. Yeah. What is end case? Gosh, I'm rusty. I haven't been hunting as much. Let's crack into these. Let's crack into these. Stay tuned. Peg them for them as soon as I get permission. Yo, yo, yo. All right, so I got permission. Bottom of the first case here. Let's see. I remember now. It's the Porsche for the Super. And yes, 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 baby, yes. Hell yeah. Score number 1 from the first case. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Keep pegging them for them. First one is a Super. Music's playing super loud in here, so I'm gonna try to talk over it as I record. But yeah, let's keep on going. Boom, baby. If you want to know what the treasure hunt is for this case, I believe I put it somewhere right here. So I'll probably grab this for my V-dub friends. I have a friend named V-dub, but this is a V-dub, VW tuned little thing. Not really what I collect, but I'll grab that for a buddy. All right, let's go. Well, today is my lucky day. I pegged everything for them, put some in this dump bin right here. So this is this year's 2023 end case. When I first saw it, I was drawing a blank. Couldn't think of what the Super was or anything, but today is a double score. 2 Supers, the Porsche 935. I haven't been hunting so much, and it feels good to finally score again. It's been a while. And now I have some footage for y'all, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I appreciate you guys leaving some treasure hunts behind. Make sure you check your Ralphs. Very cool stuff in case. I was quite pleasantly surprised. Bunch of good stuff. 62 Corvette is super nice. The Mighty K from M-Case, the rollover. It's the Super for M-Case of this year. Never found that one. It's BMW i8 Roadster. This H2 Go is really cool. I really like this one. One of my favorites from this case is this 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in the black. That one is just so nice. Super nice. But yeah, I gotta get going. Thank you all for checking out this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, appreciate everybody. Peace out. Happy hunting.